Hello creators, I'm exploring some WordPress themes that can be best suit for a tailoring shop. In fact, I need to answer a visitor inquiry on the iCreate program which can be the best WordPress theme for a tailoring shop website, or we can say the custom tailoring or clothing store. So I explored some great themes from big houses like Rex. Peter Mason is a big name in this business theme category. And this is the layout that we can have with the Peter Mason, and it also includes the WooCommerce version. Another theme that I found is the Tailorist, and it is a minimal theme, minimal layout, and the wonderful presentation of content. Yes, it has great look and simple presentation, and this makes this website very appealing. Further, I also explored the Mohair, which is a tailor and fashion WordPress theme, and it is also from a very good name, Mikado Themes. So we have already explored some themes from this house, and this is also a very good theme. But finally, I'm here, I'm stuck here. I wish to choose this Tailorist WordPress theme for the target website, and I am going to suggest this theme to the prospective client or who are willing to have a website with us at our iCreate program. Okay. Right. So why I selected this theme? First of all, this is a unique theme. This is a new theme, and of course, it is coming from a Power Elite author. So we are only mostly selecting the themes coming from the Power Elite authors at ThemeForest.net, and Dancy are the original developer of this theme. And if we talk about the layout, so the Tailorist WordPress theme offers multiple pre-made layouts, and the default layout is really very cool that I liked very much. So in this video, we are going to explore this WordPress theme, how it can be good for our target website. And if you are also planning to have a website for a tailoring shop or custom outfitters, this can be a very good choice. And when you are exploring the themes for other businesses, you have hundreds of themes on this channel that you can choose and select and compare. So it is important to watch all the specific video regarding themes and plugins, because without buying the theme or plugin, you cannot get the insights what is laying inside the theme. And this is the purpose of video, why you should watch, because I'm showing you all the insights, all the customization options, how you can install the theme and all such things. So let us go with the Tailorist in this video. If you wish to watch other themes, explore other themes in form of video, just write in the comment section. I'll also cover other themes. So I was a bit surprised how I skipped such a wonderful theme, and in this business category there is no theme on this channel. Okay, so let us start with Tailorist, and I'm here with a fresh and core installation of WordPress as always, and I'm using this shared hosting plan. I'm assuming you have already taken a hosting and the domain name. If not, simply follow the video description link, go to the WP Themes website where you'll get all the things that you need for your website. Let us start without any further delay. So I got the theme pack. In the theme pack, I have this installable theme file which I'm going to use, and installation is going to be simple as always, but yes, we need to follow the exact steps very quickly. Let us install the theme, and it will just take few seconds because I found the theme file size is really very optimized. Let us go to the theme page to check the details. It is always recommended to have a latest version of the theme that you can only get at ThemeForest.net. Through the video description link, of course, I'm going to add link in the video description, and you need to spend $49 for this great theme. Let us decide during the video why it is great. And now Tailorist is here. I'm using version 1.1, and let us activate it. Upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionalities. Elementor is the page builder, great. The crafted add-ons is a pre-packed plugin. Redux is the framework that is wonderful and it works technically very sound with the Elementor page builder, classic widgets, contact form 7 and OCDI. I mean one-click demo import. I'm selecting all, simply clicking install and clicking on apply to install all the listed plugins. Cool, all plugins got installed successfully without any error and all the green marks saying the same story. Come back to the installer screen and this time I need to activate all the installed plugins. That is going to happen in a single click again. Select all and select activate, done. Okay, got. Fine, we are fine and we have installed the theme along with all set of plugins. Now the website looks like this with the theme and all set of plugins. Of course, we need to import the demo content at the next step. So I can see some new navigations are here. I must tell you, if you wish to have a software for tailoring shop, yes, tailoring shop also needs a software now. So I have a solution and I'll add a link in the video description that where you can explore the software, how it is working, how it can be helpful in automation of a tailoring shop. So we can discuss in another video, and just in case if you need, write in the comment section or get in touch with us on a live chat. So okay, and let us proceed with this. So I have some navigation and under appearance section we have import demo data option where we can go for demo content import. Simply hit on import demo data and continue and import. Okay, so this is the application what I was talking about. This is Tailor Shop Management System, TSMS. So I have recorded a detailed video on my another channel. You can find the specific video through the link in the description or on the YouTube itself. So this is a application software that can automate a tailor shop. Yes. So you can find all great softwares at Code Canyon. I'm sure you are aware about this, and you don't need any specific developers. So you just need to spend another $23 and the tailor shops are going to be automated. So if you are running a digital agency, so you can offer the combined solution. Like if you are offering a website, you can offer this Tailor Shop Management System so that your client may feel you are offering a end-to-end 360-degree solution like automation and digital branding. So it is a good idea and we can work together through our iCreate program. If you are having any difficulty, just write in the comment section or join the iCreate program. It is going to be absolutely free for you. The joining is free, not the application software. Okay, so right, when the demo content import is in progress, I can check media library in another tab, and if we are getting media, I mean the images here, it means the demo is going fine and we can simply wait until we are getting a success message on this screen. Meanwhile, we can explore the inner pages. So I shown you the home pages that we can and choose with the Tailorist WordPress theme. So this is very crisp and clear theme, and you can see the slider is also well crafted. So simple presentation, the intuitive design, why I have selected this theme for my client project, and this is what I'm going to suggest for yours as well. Internal pages, so we have about us page, the contact us page of course, and the references and the post and features, the general, the projects, what we do, like this is a good thing. Like projects is an integral part for such websites, and where you can show the creativity done by the store or whatever, right? And the purchase, so this is for buying the theme. Another, this is a vector version, so only vector images had been used, so this can be also a very good choice. And if you like this, so the grid of icons and the image is really very good. And another layout that offers, so layout 3, okay, this one layout 3. So layout 2 is, okay, so this is second one and this is the first one. All three layouts are very wisely and professionally crafted. So you can have this theme as simple approach and effective approach. So speed is checked and I'll show you the final speed that we are getting after installing the theme and what happens when we complete our installation. So it is still going on. It may take a while because it is pulling all the images, and images are maybe of high definition since it is a tailoring shop. So we need to wait further. Okay, cool. So after the around 5 minutes, I have this cool screen and it simply says, congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. I am eager to check my new website. And this is here and it is really very cool. And I was talking about speed. Speed is the first thing that you need to consider when you want to make a successful website. And this is what I got with this installation. And this is being the reason why I selected this theme for the client project. So we are delivering the websites that can load within 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds is a guaranteed time. Whatever the hosting solution you are using, however, we are offering the correct hosting solution through Hostinger or any good brand name. But yes, it is important that your website should load within 2 seconds. So this is our prime target. So I got all the internal pages in this demo import, and I have next steps that we can explore the internal feature with the theme. So I must tell you, I'm not using any optimization steps or any plugin like Cache plugin to see the speed. So the speed is really awesome, and the reason being the fastest speed of this theme, the theme file size is just 891 KB, not even 1 MB. The theme file is really very optimized. It is just having size in KB, whereas we got all the images, all the internal pages with the theme and demo import. I must show you how many pages that we got in the demo import. You can see the 13 published pages, all 3 home pages along with the internal pages that we can use directly at our website. Further, we have the media library. In the media library, I got 86 media items, and most of them are related to tailoring shop, of course, and we can use some images. Ultimately, we have to upload our own image. Okay, so these are the images. So like vector images can be directly used at the website, and these design images can also be used, subjected to your choice. Right. Now, if we talk about the plugins, so I have already shown you the plugins and the customization options. So I'll start with the theme panel. The theme panel basically offers the basic control on the layout. Like in the general setting, we can upload the main logo, the logo for transparent header, full width blog, and all basic settings can be done here. The primary styling like typography, main body background, the host background color, or the link color options can be handled from this screen. We have header styling, the footer styling, typography, and other styling options as well. Post settings and the social networks and import export options are also available here. Next, I can see the most important thing in this part. So the web projects. So of course we need to show our design projects at our website when we are creating at our tailoring shop website. So these are the projects that can be seen on the website. So okay, the projects. Okay, so here is the project page. So this is a very modern and stylish page, that is an index page for projects or the portfolio, we can say, right? So all the portfolio items, projects can be handled in this area, and nothing special after this. So it means it is going to be super simple to handle all the contents of the website, and we can launch our website without any hassle, without any trouble, since the customization is going to be happen only through the Elementor page builder. And when we are talking about the customization of content available at the front end, Elementor is here. Simply open the page that you want to edit and hit on the Elementor edit with Elementor option, where you can get access or on and control over all the content that is displayed on the page, and you can simply and wisely handle the content. Like if you want to change this text, simply click on here and you can change the images. Simply use the navigator for jumping into the respective section that you want to change, and you'll be fine to edit all the content using the Elementor page builder. And don't worry, just in case if you have any trouble, we are just a click away. Simply write in the comment or get in touch on a live chat on the iCreate program, where a mentor can help you in every manner in completing your website. What you have to keep in mind: just use the same dimension of image and same length of text content when you are putting the information or text or images on your website, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website and you can launch your website without disturbing the main and core layout. So I feel this can be a very good choice. However, we have explored multiple themes on this channel itself, and in the particular in this tailoring business website, we have multiple options, so we can explore other themes as well. So which theme you like most that we discussed in the beginning of this video, just let me know, and how you feel the Tailorist can be a very good choice for your website project, let me know. So let us meet in the next video, where we are going to explore other important and valuable things for our successful WordPress website. Don't miss to join the iCreate program that offers all the solutions for you. Thank you for your visit. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.